Hi, I'm Aaron Estes, and I'm the CEO for Ironwood Cyber. We provide complete cybersecurity solutions for small businesses to large enterprise. A lot of clients that we've been talking to have been hit with ransomware and other types of attacks multiple times, especially during these last couple years of the pandemic. Antivirus software does a great job of detecting things that it has seen before, but not so good when it hasn't seen the malware. So what we've found is that antivirus and these endpoint detection solutions are just not enough. We need something better. Firethorn represents kind of the best of breed product in detecting and preventing ransomware. We're laser focused on that problem. We're using this side channel analysis approach that really has never been used in this way before. The reason side channel analysis is beneficial in detecting malware is because it's looking at observables that are very difficult for the attacker to change about the malware. So if a piece of malware is doing encryption, for instance, there are side effects that physically must happen on the hardware, and those things can be observed as side channels and can be used to determine that the encryption is happening. This is how Firethorn collects this data and then analyzes it to determine whether an attack is happening or not. Firethorn can be deployed on everything from laptops and desktops to kind of a corporate network. We can deploy it in the cloud and do the Firethorn detection in the cloud. And then one of the newest things that we're working on is being able to deploy it to various smart devices, like it could be medical devices or autonomous vehicles or drones, those types of embedded systems that we can also detect anomalous behavior or malicious behavior using the same technique. Essentially, Ironwood, we're the side channel security experts. We're using side channel analysis in a way that hasn't really ever been used before to do better, faster detection of malware.